Hi, I am Vinay Jha. I have 13 years experience in FICO, and this is my first video tutorials for SAP HANA implementation. Introduction. SAP HANA is the next generation ERP program and runs on in-memory platform. So what is in-memory platform? In-memory platform is a database management system that primarily relies on the main memory for the computer data storage. In-memory databases are faster than disk-optimized database because disk access is slower than memory access. SAP re-engineered the SAP HANA to exploit the in-memory capabilities of SAP HANA database. SAP HANA provides a complete rewrite of SAP ERP code faced by functional area and moves some application code to the database layer as stored database procedure. This allows for the reduction of data footprint because calculation for the financial transactions are performed on the database layer instead of the traditional application layer. Simplified data model. SAP HANA simplifies the data model by reducing the tables and indexes for each activity and change the architecture to eliminate replication of data record each time when any record is created. SAP HANA removed the old tables, aggregate tables, and index tables to create few columnar-based tables. Faster data processing. Due to the higher number of rows, tables, and indexes in the legacy system, systems were slow and required lots of spaces. SAP HANA database supports columnar database tables and can move logic to the database layer through stored procedure. This reduces the processing time for the data. No redundant data in SAP HANA. As this is a completely new system, so there is no redundant data in SAP HANA, which increases productivity. Elimination of reconciliation in financial close process. SAP HANA eliminates reconciliation between FI and CO because cost elements are merged with GL, which eliminates the reconciliation during financial close process. Benefits of SAP HANA. Integration of information. Integration of information across the enterprise by using universal journals, virtual single operating model, seamless FICO integration, and real-time data across all financial dimensions. Cost saving. Company can save costs due to improved automation capabilities with real-time posting in all the areas. Measurement of performance and availability of reports. Measurement of performance is on real-time basis due to availability of all the reports on real-time basis. Reports can be available by using SAP Fiori application on real-time basis on any mobile device. So if any of the company executive want to run the report, they can use the SAP Fiori application to get the reports on real-time basis, and this is always available. Reduction of month-end closing time. SAP HANA reduces the month-end closing cycles due to the integration of information and availability of all the reliable finance data all the time. Continuous finance process improvements. Continuous finance process improvements due to faster financial close process, forecasting and budgeting, streamlining communications. Company can allocate the resources for other value addition purposes. Data for business strategy. Availability of real-time data for business advice on timely basis for corporate strategy. Optimization of planning, budgeting, and forecasting. SAP BPC for SAP HANA integrates planning and consolidation functionality in real time. In SAP BPC for S4 HANA, there are for every planning purpose they have all the templates available. So company can fill the templates and upload to the in the SAP BPC, and all the reports will be available on real time basis. Functional changes. Universal Journal. Universal Journal architecture model combines controlling, financial, asset accounting, material ledger, profitability analysis, and other financial data. Computational power. Due to the on-the-fly computational power reporting is simplified and can be obtained on real-time basis on any mobile device. So anyone, if they want a report, they can run reports in SAP Fiori application and get the reports on real-time basis. Month-end close. Month-end closing is faster due to elimination of reconciliation, batch processing, allocation of the data. Business planning. With the introduction of SAP BPC for S/4HANA, planning functionality is improved. Planning data can be uploaded into SAP ERP using Microsoft Excel. SAP BPC for S/4HANA contains various templates to upload. So there are templates such as cost element, profit center, cost center, etc. New asset accounting. With the introduction of new asset accounting, no need to wait for the month-end depreciation run, and all the data are always available on real-time basis. Cash management. With the implementation of SAP Cash Management Company, can optimize working capital cost and reduce the days of sales outstanding, that is DSO. Migration option. There are three migration options. New installation, where the company doesn't have any SAP system. Classical migration is the migration from old SAP to SAP HANA. Third one is one-step upgrade and migration with DMO, database migration option. System architecture, Universal Journal. Universal Journal architecture model combines controlling, financial, asset accounting, material ledger, profitability analysis, and other financial data. So this is the single source for all accounting components, which eliminates reconciliation. Single source for data in FI, which includes full details of all components relating to FI, CO, PA. GL and cost elements are merged, so this eliminates the reconciliation process, batch processing, allocation of data. One source of data for reporting, that is replacement of SAP Business Objects BI reporting. Preparation for implementation. Pre-checks. Pre-checks helps you fix and correct any errors before migration, reducing the time and effort required to resolve issues during or at the end of the migration process. Back up the old system before installing SAP HANA Finance, because if anything happens, then you can always go back to the old system. Familiarize yourself with relevant SAP notes and read all the scoping and restriction involving SAP HANA Finance capabilities. This step is required if any organization migrating from SAP ERP 6.0. So if this is the new implementation, so you don't need to go through these steps. Execution of financial reports to allow comparison after the migration. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.